Hey guys, BiGGzy Death from Above coming at you with some more Grand Theft Auto. Today I got a little special surprise for you guys. I found something just playing around and thought it was so awesome. It is here. Alright, so I found a caterpillar, and this is a bulldozer, and this bulldozer has some serious balls. I mean, I ran over a couple cars, they explode under you, it's like a tank, and I had so much fun with it. So, I want to show you guys just how awesome it is. So we're gonna head over there. Gonna get in that caterpillar and we're gonna take out some cops with it, maybe. We'll see. Ouch. Alright. So, it's located right around here. I just found it with all these race cars one day. There was a bunch of guys down here racing. And, so I found this spot.
What is this bullshit?
It's pretty serious. So they're always packing heat down here. And, hopefully our bulldozer spawned. Not yet. Try to give it another pass. I'm going to take our chopper under the bridge. I stalled a little bit, but we seem to be okay.
Start up, piece of shit.
We're not okay now.
Let's go.
We have fully stalled. Our chopper is done. Let's try not to get hit by a car. Maybe we'll just borrow a car.
Come on, bro. Time to move.
Just get us over to the other side. Yeah. There's gotta be a way down over here. That will work. Alright, still no bulldozer. This is alright though. We're just gonna keep trying. Gonna get it. Gonna get this bulldozer today.
In case I wasn't having enough fun already.
There it is. Alright guys, we've got what we came for. I'm gonna have to demonstrate on my car. Looks like we've made some friends too, so we're definitely in luck here. We're gonna get to hurt. We're gonna get the fuck with the cops. Yeah. So as you can see, the caterpillar is pretty serious. It just has some great crushing power too. But cops got us. It's alright guys, we're gonna come back. Just the caterpillar. So I'll see you guys in my next video. We'll make it a short clip of just the caterpillar. This is just your heads up. Thanks for watching guys.